Crepe Erase promises to be the ultimate solution for thinning, wrinkled, and crepey skin, especially on areas like the neck, arms, legs, and décolletage. But is it truly effective, or just another high-priced skincare gimmick playing on our fear of aging? With so many anti-aging products flooding the market, I decided to dig deep into what Crepe Erase actually delivers beyond the flashy claims. Made by the body firm, a company that's been active since 2015, Crepe Erase is formulated with its signature True Friend complex along with 9 powerful moisturizers, including coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, vitamin E, and squalane, all meant to deeply hydrate and improve the skin's texture. The brand says it's clinically tested and even doctor-approved, which sounds promising, but how does it hold up in real life? On Amazon, the product has over 8,500 reviews and holds a solid 4.1-star rating, with many users reporting visible improvements in skin firmness and smoothness after several weeks of regular use. However, the results aren't instant or dramatic for everyone. Some users found the texture too greasy, disliked the scent, or felt the product didn't live up to its premium price. There's also criticism around the packaging and customer service, which raised some concerns. Despite a strong presence on social media and availability on major platforms like Amazon, Crepe Erase seems to walk a fine line between being a genuinely helpful product for some and an underwhelming investment for others. If you're considering giving it a try, this review breaks down all the pros and cons. From ingredients to real user experiences, you can make a smart decision before spending your money.